In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the breakout stocks in Chartink. So there's a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you two of the most common ones, which I do think are the easiest. The first one is going to be using pre-made scanners. So on your dashboard, when you open up your account, you want to go to the Screens tab up top, so click on this button. And then from here, you'll be able to see there's going to be like a bunch of different things. What you want to do here is basically search the public library for different terms, maybe like daily breakout, volume breakout, or high breakout. So I'm gonna go and first look for a daily breakout like this. I'm gonna hit the search button and it's gonna pop up a bunch of different scanners. As you can see, there we go, and there's gonna be a bunch. I'm gonna click on this first one, for example, to see the daily breakout, and it's gonna open up a scanner with a bunch of different, as you can see, filters over here. You can read through these if you want them, and of course you can then go and see all the breakouts down here. So that's one way to actually do it. Then of course you can go and, as I said, do, for example, volume breakout like this. I'm gonna press enter. There we go. There's gonna be a few of them in here as well. As you can see, you can click on them to see them, or you can do, like, for example, something like high breakout if something pops up, or something similar. So all of these are the possibilities you could actually do. You can take these, you can click on them, you can even modify them and use them for yourself as well, and you can then find breakout stocks using this. That's the first way to do it. The second one is going to be creating a custom breakout scan. To do this, go to Screens up top and hover over, of course, this, and then click on Create Scan. Now, in here, they now actually do have these magic filters, which allows you to basically create this super easily. But of course, if you know the filters, you could also go and build it manually. You could go over here and do something like maybe close crosses above highest, or you could do like volume to latest SMA, whatever. A bunch of things you can do, but if you're a beginner, you can simply go up here and you can type in what you want to see. So for example, I'm going to click in here and type in breakout stocks in the past 30 days, and I'm just going to click on generate, okay? And when you do this, it's going to convert this into a code, and there we go. You can see it's going to add a filter, and if you click on or hover over it and then click on explain, it's going to show you exactly what this filter does. And if it's cool with you, then that's fine. But if it's not, you can of course add a new one. You can customize it, you can manually add it, whatever. Then run your scan, and down here you'll see all the breakout stocks, which are kind of related to whatever this filter here was, okay? So that's going to be the second way to actually find breakout stocks, and our last way for this video, and I hope it helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.